Hello from Age Educational Academy. Today we are going to start the important questions from the chapter 2 of 10th class mathematics sets. So before getting into the chapter main questions, let us understand the basics of sets. First of all, we have to recall about the numbers, different type of number systems, starting from natural numbers. Natural number, where do the natural numbers start from? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinite. All these numbers are called as natural numbers. Natural number, respond karo, kuch bhi nahi. All these numbers are called as natural number. Next, second set of numbers are whole numbers. Speciality of whole numbers is they start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. These all numbers are known as whole numbers, starting from 0. Next, after natural numbers and whole numbers, integers. Integers, they start from negative infinity to positive infinity. Negative infinity, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinity. These numbers are called as integers. Right, we have a different set of numbers as well. So in this we have to understand the conversion from set builder form to roster form. These questions are asked in 2 marks first, and another thing is these are also asked for long answers as well. So we have to convert from set builder to roster form, thereby perform certain activities to that, I mean certain operations to that, intersection and union, so on and so forth. So before that we have to first try to understand how to convert a set builder form to roster form. So set builder form in the sense a set wherein you will have like belongs to natural numbers, and a certain limit of that is mentioned over there. So looking at those kind of questions, you can understand this particular set is in the form of set builder form. So from the set builder form we have to convert to roster form. One of the sample of set builder form is a natural number smaller than 6. In the question it is mentioned, question number 5, textbook page number 33, fifth question, first bit. Natural number smaller than 6. Natural number smaller than 6 in the sense, how do you represent that? And any set, it is represented by a capital letter, a capital A, B, C, D, whatsoever it is, capital and flower brackets, flower braces, and each and element is separated by a comma. So that's how we represent. So small natural number smaller than 6. What are the natural numbers smaller than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are all the natural numbers which are smaller than 6. Next, 2-digit number. The one who already completed this, please restrain yourself from doing. The one who did not do, just give it a try. A number which is sum of digits should be 8. Sum of digits should be 8. Second question, you try it. First give it a try. Anyhow I'll explain. First give it a try. Those who have already completed, please try. You guys also please do. Sum of digits should be 8. 1 plus 7, like that. 1, 7, 17 is a number. 2, 6, 26, very good. 26 is another number. 35, 53, 44, 71, 62, yes. 71, correct. So we can write that in a proper sequential order in this way. B, for example, B is a set. 1, 7, 17, increase one number, decrease one number. 2, 6, increase one number, decrease one number. 3, 5, 4, 4, next 5, 3, 6, 2, 7, 1. So 80, but 8, 0, 80, it includes 0. 0 is a whole number. So it's a natural number. Otherwise we could have also written 0, 8. 0, 8 and 8, 0 we are not writing because it includes 0, which is a whole number. So here just mentioned natural number. Next set, divisor. Next 2 important terms you have to understand here is factor and multiples. Factor or divisor. Factor. First of all we will understand about factor. Factors of 15. If the question is asked what are the factors of 15. Factors of 15 in the sense the number which are the tables in which 15 goes. All the tables in which 15 goes are the factors of 15. In what table 15 goes? It goes in 5, 1, starting from 1. 1 is a factor of every number. 1, 5, 1, 3, 5 actually, whatever it is, 1, 3, 5 and 15. So factors of any number will start from 1, and the largest factor is the number itself. Factors will start from 1 and the largest factor is the number itself. Factors of 20, it will start from 1 and it goes in 2 table as well. 3, no, 4, it goes, yeah, 4, 5, 6, no, 7, not 8, no, 9 and 10. After 10, you need not to check any number after 10 because the factors which you are checking the factors of 20. If you have reached half of 20, which is 10, you need not to check other numbers. If you are checking factors of 100, all you have to do is check till 50. After 50 till 99, there will not be a single number in which 100 will be divisible. So while checking the factors, you have to check the half mark. For example, factors of 30, we have to check from 1 to 15. After 15, there won't be any factors of this, right? So it will go for a smaller number like this, you can easily define. For example, a number 60, factors of 60. How do you write the factors of 60? It will go in 1, it will go in 2. So from 1 to 10, you can easily identify what are the numbers in which 60 is divisible. However, after 10, 11, 12, 13, you don't know the table of 13, you don't know the table of, you can calculate, however, it becomes quite difficult to understand what are the exactly digits. So that's why one suggestion I would like to give you is, it is divisible in 1, right? 1 is a factor of 60. So 1, by what number 60 goes? 1 into 60. So I'll tell you why am I writing it this way. 1 and 60, both are the factors. Next, it goes in 2 table. It goes in 2 table, but with what number? 30. 2 into 30. So doing this, we can also calculate the factors, also find the factors which are greater than 10. 2 into 30. Next, it goes in 3. 3 into 20. 3 into 20. Next, it goes in 4. 4 into 15. If you do not know how to do that, 60 divided by 4. 4, 1 is 4, 2 carry, 4 5s are 15. So it goes in 4 as well. Next, 5. 60 divided by 5. 5, 1 is 5, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 12, very good. 5 into 12, it goes in 6. 6, 10 is 60. 7 won't go, 8, it won't go, 9, it won't go, then 10. So factors starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. After 6 there is no 7. 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. This is how we find the factors. So for a number which is like 20, 15, you need not to follow this method. You can easily calculate the factors of 20. But however, if a number is like 20, 120, so he'll ask to find the factors of 20, that two prime factors of 20. First we have to find the factors of 20, then identify the prime numbers among that. So that way, for example, 120, one last sum for factors, then we'll jump on to multiples. Factors of 120. 120, how do we do that? Does it go in 1? Yeah, 1 into 120. Next, 2 into 60. It goes in 3. 3 into 40. 4. 4 into 30. Next, 5. 120 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 carry. 5 4s are 20. See, 24. Would you have been imagined that 120 will go in 24? If you just normally checked it from 1 to 9. 1 to 9 you can easily identify. However, 24 is not an easy number to guess. So that's why doing this way you can identify what are the other numbers apart from 1 to 10. 5 into 24. Next, 6. Yes, it goes in 6. The 1 to 10 divisibility rules you know, right? If the number is divisible in 2 and 3, it must be divisible in 6 as well. So it's 6 into 20. 7 it won't go. 7 it won't go. If you want, you can check it here. 7. 1 is 7. How much remain? Kitne bache? 5. 7. 5. 50. 50. Is 50 there in 7? No, 49. So that's why it won't go in 7. Next, 8. Let us check. 8. 8, 1 is 8. 4 carry. 8 5s are 40. 15. 120 will go in 15. Would you have imagined that? No. So doing this way, you can streamline your search. 8 into 15. Next, 9. 9 it goes. Let us check. 120, 9. 9, 1 is 9. 3 remain. Is 30 there in 9? No. After 9, 10. 10 into 12. 10, 12 is 120. See, increasing order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60, 120. This way you can find the factors of bigger numbers. That will be useful for 6 marks question. Understood about factors? Factor of every number will start from 1 and will end by the number itself. The highest factor is the number itself. That's how we find the factors. Why are we doing this? You'll understand it in a bit of time. Next, multiples. Multiples are nothing but table. Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. 10, 12, like that. So those are all the multiples. Multiples will not have any limit. It will go until infinite. Multiples of 2, multiples of 3, 33, 36, 39, not exactly till 30, it will go till infinity. For the multiples, you have to set a certain limit. Until and unless there is a limit, multiples won't stop. So you have to do it that way. Multiples. Next, one more important term you have to understand here is prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which goes in the same table. Yes, in the same table. 2 is a prime number. It does not go in on any other table. 3 is also a prime number. Next, 5 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. Then 11 is a prime number. 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, so on and so forth. 4 is not a prime because it goes in 2 and 4. 6, yes, it is a composite. 6 is not a prime because it goes in 2, 3 and 6. 9 goes in 3 and 9. That's why those numbers are composite. The numbers which goes in more than one table are composite number. The number which goes in only single table are prime numbers. Clear till now? Sure. Next, set builder form to roster form. Question number x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Third bit. Fifth question, third bit. Prime number divisor of 60. Prime number divisor of 60. What are the divisor first of all? Just now we found out factors are nothing but divisor. Prime numbers which are divisor. Alright, what are the divisor of 60? First you have to calculate that. Divisor of 60, in what table does 60 go? It goes in 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4 into 15, 5 into 12, 6 into 10. So these are all the factors. What are the factors? Factors or divisors, you can call it either way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. So these are all the divisors or factor of 60. However, if you keenly look at the question, he asked prime factors or prime divisors. Amongst these number, we have to pick out only the numbers which are prime. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5 are the prime numbers. Prime divisors of 60. Clear? Next, better statement. A is a set wherein B-E-T-R. Better is a word which is given in the set builder form. In the roster form, repetitive alphabets we won't write. B-E-T-T. T is repeating 2 times. We write only 1 time. B-E-T-T-E-R. E is repeating 1 more time. We are writing it only 1 time, not writing it twice. Next, another sample of question. Madam we have taken. Madam is the question. Roster form of madam. M-A-D. Roster form of madam is mad. Next, this is set builder form to roster form. Next type of questions are roster form to set builder form. Roster form to set builder form. In order to convert the roster form to set builder form, you have to identify the common thing which is there in the set. For example, in this set, a sixth question, first bit, what is it given? 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6. This is the roster form. We have to write the set builder form. Understand, it becomes quite difficult while writing roster to set builder form if you do not understand in a proper way how to write it. What are the basic things? First of all, you have to identify there must be one common term, one common thing in the set. Multiples of 3, which is good. Multiples of 3 is a right answer. 3, 6, 9, 12 are the multiples of 3. Right. So you have to write it this way. A is a set wherein x is a variable such that these two dots are such that A is a set wherein x is a variable such that what is x? X is a multiple of 3. X is a multiple of 3. Very good. Multiple of 3 till your half work is over. What did I told about multiples? multiples go till infinity, but are the multiples till infinity in the question? We have to set a certain limit to it. It is less than 12, less than 15. So multiples x is less than 15. Here let us try to understand this, how to write this limit in a better way. Okay, for example, I have a value of p which starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 p values. So I have to set a limit to the p, right? P, I write it this way. P is less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 5. While reading this, how do you read that? P is greater than or equal to 1. The one which is left side, you have to read it in the form of greater than. P is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 5, which means limit of p is from 1 or greater than 1, 5 or lesser than 5, which is correct. Another way of writing this is p is here 0, here 6, one number smaller than this, one number greater than this. So p is greater than 0, lesser than 6. But that means this 0 and 6 are not included when there is not equal to sign. Equal to sign in the sense that number is there, along with that greater than that of that number. 1 along with the number which are greater than 1. 5 along with the numbers which are lesser than 5. Here 0, which means 0 is not included. Is equal to sign is not there. That means 0 is not included. Only the numbers which are greater than 0 starting from 1. So these two form of representation for this set of value is correct. You can stick to either of that. Clear? How do you write that? This one is not wrong. This one is correct. Because x is less than 15. Not a problem. X is less than 15, right? 15, next multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 after 12 is 15. So less than 15. Less than 15, next multiple is 12. You need not to think of 13 and 14 because 13 and 14 are not the multiples. This characteristics that it has to satisfy. First question. Let us do few more questions. You will get it, glimpse of it. Next. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2, 4. Next set. In this set, values are 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Just looking at the question, you have to understand what is a common term. Natural numbers, yes, natural number is the right answer, but perfect square number, powers of 2. These are powers of 2. 2 we can write in the form of 2 power 1. 4 is nothing but 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 8 is 2 power 3. 16, 2 power 4. 32, 2 power 5. This way if we write the set, now see, one base is there and one exponent is there. Either of that will be common, one of them will be changing. What is changing? What is common? Base is common and power is changing. The one which is changing has to be represented by a variable. The one which is same has to be written the same way. So base is same, that's why base is same. Power is changing, that's why n. 2 power n. General notation of this set is 2 power n. We have to set a limit to that n. So writing the set builder form. A is a set wherein x is a variable such that x is equal to 2 power n. X value is 2 power n. Where does n start from? 1. 1 in the sense, what number start from 1? Natural number. Comma, next information is x belongs to n. Natural number. Next, limit. Natural number will also go till infinity. Set a limit from 1 to 5. 1 to 5. How did we set the limit? Here. X is greater than or equal to 1, lesser than or equal to 5. If we are including the equal to sign, we have to write these two numbers. If we are not including the equal to 0 to 6, you have to take that. Either way of writing that is correct. Clear? First of all, you have to identify what is common, then give a general notation for the set, represent that with x. What is x? Is it natural, whole, integer, whatsoever it is, then set a limit to that. Clear? One more question will take this form. 5, 25, 125, 625. 5, 25, 125, 625. Multiples of 5? Powers of 5. 5 can be written as 5 power 1. 25 can be written as 5 power 2, 5 power 3, 5 power 4. Alright? What is same, what is changing? Base is same, power is changing. So write the base as it is 5. Power in the power you write n. So general notation of this set is 5 power n. A is a set wherein x is a variable such that x is equal to 5 power n. Next, what is n? 1 to 4. 1 to 4 are natural number. X belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural number and x is less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 4. Clear? One little mistake is there in both the questions. In both the questions, one mistake is there. Identify it. What is it? Limit we are setting value for x. We have to set the limit for n. N belongs to, small n belongs to natural number, and this limit is also for small n, power. Power is n. Instead of x, you have to write a n over there. We are not setting the limit for x but for small n. These power numbers. These power numbers are starting from 1, not this one, base. Base is x, that is not starting. The number which are starting from 1 to 5 are the one which is there in power. Power is n. So that's why we have to set the limit for n. Here also n. Here also n. And again n. Clear? This is how we write from which form to which form? Roster form to set builder form. One more question we'll take, then we'll move on to the long answer type questions. Next, this is the set 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, so on up to 100. Right. What is one common thing in this set? These all numbers are perfect square. 1 can be written as 1 square, 4 can be written as 2 square, 9 can be written as 3 square. Clear? 16, 4 square, 5 square, so on up to 10 square. So on up to 10 square. Now, what is same, what is changing? Power is same, base is changing. So, base is changing, that's why I am writing with a variable n. What is same? Power is same, that's why it is n square. General notation of this set is n square. Clear? What is same, what is changing, that you have to identify. Here, base was same, power is changing. That's why base I have taken 2, power the one which is changing with a variable. Here, base is changing, that's why n, power is same, the same I have written. So, A is a set wherein x is a variable such that x is equal to n square. Setting the limit of n or x? N. What is n? N start from 1 to 10. N belongs to natural numbers. N only. N. In the base, n is there. So what is there? Like here, see, n square. N is starting from 1 to 10. That's why n. N belongs to natural number. What is the limit of n? Less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 10. From roster form to set builder form. Clear? Next, let us move on to the important 4 and long answers. These questions may be asked for 4 marks as well as 6 marks and also 2 marks. Yes. Bits, maybe true, maybe yes, maybe not. Next, this question, x is a multiple of 3. Two sets are there. First question, A is a set wherein x is a variable such that x is a multiple of 3. X is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 in the sense it will go till infinity 3, 6, 9. There has to be a certain limit to that, which is less than 15. Less than 15. This is the first set. Next, B is a set wherein x is a variable such that x is a factor of 12. X is a factor of 12. Factor of 12. Factors are already, they will have certain limit. They will start from 1 and will end till 12. Factors will have a certain limit. Factors will not go till infinity. It is multiple that goes till infinity. So, we have to first convert this to roster form. A. Multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. Less than 15. Which means do we have to include 15 or not? Less than or equal to 15 in the sense we have to include 15. So that's all. These are the factors of A. Next set B. Sorry, multiples of 3. Next X is a factor of 12. All the factors start from 1. It goes in 2. It goes in 3. In 4. In 6 and in 12. So these are the factors. Clear? Next, second question. Factor of 24, factor of 120. Factor of 24, factor of 120. Second question. Union intersection, as of now it is not there. It will come. Yes. Union in the sense, I'll explain you. First of all, let us do this, okay? A is a factor of 24. Factor of 24. What are the factors of 24? Let me just write the question first of all. You guys give it a try. Factor of 24. B is a set. Factor of 120. Chalo. Right. Factor of 24. Yes, 1. It goes in 1. It goes in 2. It goes in 3. It goes in 4. It goes in 6. 8. Yes. 12. 24. Once you reach half of the mark, you need not to check the next factors. After 12, before 24, you won't have any factors of 24. First completed. Next B. Factors of 120. 120 just now we did. Let us go in this way because 120 is not an easy task. Chalo. 1 into 120, 2 into 60, 3 into 40, 4 into 30, 5 into 120 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 4s. 5 into 24. 6 into 20. 7, it won't go. 8. 8 into 15. 120 divided by 8. 8 1 is 8. 4 8 5s are 40. So 8 into 15. 9. It won't go. 10. 10 into 12. So factors of B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60, 120. Clear? This is how we write the factors. Next, let us move on to the next question. We'll also draw the Venn diagrams for this. Union and intersection we'll do, and we'll also draw the Venn diagrams parallelly. Third question. Prime number less than 20. Prime number less than 20.
1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17.
Next. B is a set. X is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Less than 24. Multiple of 4 less than 24. Prime numbers less than 20. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. That's all. B. multiple of 4. 4, it starts from 4, 8. Multiple is nothing but the table. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Less than 24. Clear? Alright. Next. One more important topic here. Union. A union B. A union B. U is union. Union in the sense, what do? We have to write the common terms only once, and apart from the terms which are common, we have to include all the other terms. Union in the sense, common terms only once and all the other terms which are not common in both the sets. Intersection. Intersection, we have to include only the common terms. Only the common terms. A intersection. First is union. Second one, A intersection B. A intersection B in the sense, only common terms. First of all, we have to find the, let us find union here. Union and intersection. Union in the sense, let me write the sets again. 3, 6, 9, 12. Union 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. A union B. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12. This is A union B. In A union B, we have to 3 is repeating 2 times. We have to write only once. And 6 is repeating 2 times. We have to write only once. However, apart from the common terms, we have to include all the terms which is there in first set and also all the terms which are there in second set. Common terms only once and all the remaining terms. That is union. Intersection, only common terms. Intersection in the sense, only common terms. A intersection B. 3, 6, no, 9 is not there. 12. 3, 6, 12. 3, 6, 12. That's all. A union, A intersection. समझ में आ रहा नहीं आ रहा? when कर रहा हूँ इसमें बता दो. Understanding. हो रहा है कि नहीं? क्या है कि डाउट? हम पूछ रहे नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे नहीं, क्या हो रहा नहीं हो रहा बोल तो रोक देंगे इसको. इजी तो है. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में बेसिक से जाना पड़ता पूरा. ऐसा गड़बड़ काम से वहाँ से नहीं उठा सकते. कहाँ से कौन से टाइम से एडिट करना है? 32. बस हो गया, आधा घंटे की वीडियो.